Perched high in La Zagaleta, Villa Magda is a compelling study in spatial harmony by architect Marco Sainz. Spanning over 2,000 square meters, the estate is thoughtfully distributed across 3 distinct modules connected by glass-lined galleries. The design beautifully pairs rustic Andalusian character with sleek, contemporary Italian elegance. Expansive pocket doors dissolve the boundaries between the sophisticated interiors and the stone terraces, framing a sweeping panorama that extends across the Mediterranean to Gibraltar and the African coastline. The lifestyle here is an effortless exercise in leisure. Your toughest daily decision might be choosing which of the 2 private 18-hole golf courses to play, or deciding if the weather in Morocco looks clear enough from your bedroom terrace to warrant a trip. With an indoor wellness center featuring a pool, gym, and sauna, and a separate 2-bedroom guest wing, entertaining is seamless, though you may find your guests refuse to leave. Villa Magda demonstrates how grand-scale architecture can still feel intimately connected to its natural landscape, offering a private sanctuary where the line between indoors and the Mediterranean horizon is beautifully blurred.